Here we have a 2015 BMW 435i M Sport. Now with this vehicle you've got the 20-inch alloy wheels, complemented by the blue M Sports calipers just behind. You've then got the black sapphire metallic exterior paintwork, and as you can see the car is all stealthed out. Black kidney grills at the front as well as the black badges just above. Coming around to this corner you'll see your second 20-inch alloy wheel, and how fantastic do they look. Colour-coded wing mirrors and door handles. Also worth noting we've got the M Performance kit on this vehicle, consisting of the front splitter, side skirt and spoiler. You can see just there. You've then got the black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Coming to the rear, let's get a closer look at that black spoiler. Really aggressive styling, looks fantastic there. Apologies for the sun, it's a very bright day today. You've then got the dual exit exhaust, one tip on either side. As well as that we've got front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside, and again you've got the black badges in the middle just there too. And as you can see the vehicle itself is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Now let's have a quick look at the interior. Starting at the rear, we've got the full coral red leather interior, and how fantastic do these seats look. So you've got the two seats in the rear, ISO fixed points within the seats, integrated speakers on either side, 12-volt connectivity in the middle. Closing off that front seat. Now both front seats are again that full coral red leather, but we've also got the electrical adjustments which you'll find on either side. The driver also benefits from the memory functions you can see just there. As well as that they are heated, which can be controlled in the centre. And then on the doors you'll notice we've got the premium Harman Kardon sound system, which sounds fantastic. Gloss black trim, more of that coral red leather interior. We've then got electric window controls as well as power folding electric wing mirrors, brushed metal handle, auto lights. We've got the paddle extensions on the steering wheel there, finished in red to match the leather. Also features like speed limiter, cruise control. We've got the Pro Nav as well as the dual zone climate controls, heated seat controls just there. Of course there's your gear stick and different shortcuts, and you can actually operate the roof just there as well. So I'll just give you a demonstration of the roof in operation just now. And here is a quick look at the car with the roof down as well. Looks absolutely fantastic. Just walk around it and do a quick 360 for you so you can see from every angle with the roof down. Really great looking car. Now we are still awaiting a full valet on this vehicle, and as soon as it gets one we will film a more in-depth video showcasing all of the car's features. But until then, if you would like to learn more about this vehicle, have a look down in the description below where you will find all of the relevant information. Until then, that is all from me, so thank you for watching.